Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening LiteMatica and loading the schematic you want to remove. This makes the region visible so you can target it precisely. Once done, set the schematic to the correct offset and orientation so you remove exactly what you intend. Make sure you toggle rendering so the schematic appears in the world, then switch to the selection tool to highlight the full volume. This prevents accidental deletions of nearby builds and speeds the next steps. Now you refine the selection. Use the corner tool and walk to two opposite corners, pressing the bind to set first and second points so the box exactly matches the schematic. You should enable snapping if the build aligns to chunks, because that prevents off-by-one errors. Next, in the schematic control menu, choose Operation Type, set it to Remove or Replace with Air, and Preview. This step matters because it defines which blocks are affected and avoids partial removals. You execute the removal by applying the schematic with Replace set to Air. Confirm and let LiteMatica or your server perform the edit. After completion, inspect the area to ensure all blocks were cleared. If something is off, immediately use the Undo or Restore from your backup to revert. If the operation lags or throws errors, split the selection into smaller chunks and apply sequentially. Because large edits can time out or crash clients and servers, this troubleshooting tip prevents data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.